Alright. How was your ride there, Bird?
It was excellent. Unreal.
Yeah? Something you didn't think you'd enjoy so much, huh?
Oh, it was badass.
Yeah. Something you think you'd want to do in the future?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I think I'm going to be hooked.
It's cheap fun. Look pretty safe, too, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, as long as you fly safe. I always had a landing out. I mean, we did go through that one we skimmed them treetops a little bit, but, you know, when you're comfortable and you're as good as I am, I had I could have turned and whipped it around, but I didn't scare you at all, did I?
No, not at all.
Yeah, you felt safe?
Oh, yeah. I felt real safe.
Huh?
How's that?
That's it? You feel safe?
Oh, I feel real safe. This is badass.
You think your instructor made any difference, or?
Yeah, he's great. Great instructor. Kept everything nice and smooth. Showed me a lot of good scenery.
How long you been here in Glenwood?
3 years.
Got to see anything like that?
No, I ain't never seen shit like that.
Yeah, it's a whole different way of looking at life, ain't it?
Whole different way of looking at your town.
And how about the way you feel now? Is this a way to start your day or what?
This is beautiful. This is beautiful.
Yeah, this is a sweet little aircraft too. So if you were going to buy from a company, what company would that be from? Air Sports USA.
Air Sports USA. Everything's been pleasant. Everything's been great. Well trained, safe, and well maintained. Beautiful equipment. Only way to go.
Air Sports USA guy. Colorado, Glenwood Springs. Mark Denny. AirSportsUSA.com. August 2010. This is Bird, Steve Human from Titusville, now Coloradian, and I think he likes the machine. Probably ain't gonna be taking it home if I know my bud. He's a wild man like me. So, anyways, let's see what you can do here now. Next thing you do is you want to keep all these lines to that side.
Yeah, I just kind of took them and just...
I understand, but let's keep those on that side. Now there's a zipper there. Yep, just stuck it right on. Get this around here. You got a little bit extra, stick it on in there. That's the way. Pull that in there tight. Right now there's a zipper right here. Let's put it together and zip it up. No, these wires need to be on the outside of that. So they don't, there we go. Take your time. Check your package. You always got to check your package. You gotta be safe. And when you're zipping it up there, you need to zip it up and keep your hand under here so you don't pinch this material and rip a hole in it. So either keep a finger in there while you're rolling it.
And get it started.
Yeah, you can do it. Yeah, from there you go. Just keep your finger in front of it. That's the way, and then it won't grab no material and it won't rip your machine. Nope, all the way across. Alright, I think we're set. Alright, now I want you to reach down there and click on them two flip switches, both up. Step over to this side of the aircraft. The back position is your throttle. That's all the way off. Forward is all the way on. Make sure when you get ready to start it, it's all the way back. Two buttons are on. You put your foot right up here on this. Grab the pull starter. Give it a yank. Stay in front of the machine in case it starts running off. Always keep your foot up there. If I let it go, it can start moving. Alright? Now, when you give it gas, it can take a second to start moving. Once it starts moving, come off the gas some, alright? Keep your feet in close so you don't. There you go. Give it some gas. Give it some gas and start it moving. Once it starts moving, then it's easier to turn. More gas. Slow down. Slow down. There you go. All right, now give it some gas and let's go. Keep it straight. I got your hat. Right down the middle. That's fast enough. You're doing great. Just ran out of gas there, baby. That's like pushing it to the limit. But I had to keep it low because I had Fat Boy with me. I mean, not really. We just took it a little bit longer. Let's get off the runway. There we go. Got people coming out here. All right, brother.
That was
thanks for the ride.
That was nothing cool. I said just fun, just ride.
Huh?
That's just fun, just ride.
This thing here in a quarter mile will beat any car in town. I guarantee it. I ain't showed you that, but it will beat any fucking car in town. You don't even know. You don't know. This will beat any car in town. Down this strip, I guarantee it. I ain't opened it up. Keep that wing down as long as the wing ain't out and up.
Yeah.
Woo! 100 mile an hour, no problem.
Holy shit.
Yeah, that motherfucker flies.
So just give her a push.
The way to do this here, I'm going to tell you real quick, is you steer it by putting your foot here, give it a little turn, get it on the runway so we can push it a little easier. And yeah, push there or in the middle of the prop. You want to keep the tire on the ground when you're pushing it. You only lift the tire up to turn it. Steve Human, there you go. Steve Human, Birdman, Air Sports USA, guys. Fly Colorado. Come fly with me. You'll enjoy yourself, promise. Peace out, boys. Say peace out there, bird.
Peace out.